ever noticed when people like to feed birds, so they put seeds in a bird feeder and the bird comes and eats the seeds? Well, I decided to try this with squirrels because I truly love squirrels. And I noticed they ate acorns, and luckily for me, there are like billions of them living in my backyard. So I decided to look for some acorns. And while I was looking for some acorns, I thought, why do squirrels have to do all the hard work if I can just do it for them? Sorry. So then I finally found these squirrels after very hard work and laid them out the net, and in hope that a squirrel won't have to do any hard work and just eat the acorns that I laid out for them. The next day, I was very sad because the acorns were there just as I left them and nothing even touched them. So then I decided that the squirrel just didn't come yesterday, so maybe it'll come today. Then I at least waited 4 days, and I was very disappointed because the squirrel still didn't come. So I decided to ask my sister. So I went, Aishi, why don't the squirrels just eat the acorns that I lay out instead of doing all that hard work? And she said, well, if you didn't know, squirrels like to take the top off of the acorn and then eat it. So then the next day, I go out in my backyard and find all of these acorns without the top on them. And then I lay them out in hope that a squirrel will eat them again. The next day, guess what? The squirrels actually ate them because then they didn't have to do all the hard work by taking the top off. This is where my unique thought comes into play. How about, instead of doing all of this, I can just know it beforehand by taking a picture of these acorns, so then my phone can tell me, if you want to feed a squirrel this, then take off the top. And it can tell me the fact that squirrels only take off the top and then eat the inside of an acorn. This is my unique thought. Hopefully you liked it, and welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by trying to feed a squirrel, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.